Magandang araw mga kapatid, naniniwala ba kayo sa kasabihan na kung gusto may paraan, kung ayaw napakaraming dahilan? Naku, totoo po yan. Kung gusto natin kumita ng pera, lagi pong may paraan para kitain yan, di ba? Kaya naman sa araw na to, we have a very special guest, ang napakamaparaang entrepreneur na si Mariel. Welcome to Minutes with Maniguro. Mariel, kamusta ka today?
Okay lang po. Maraming salamat po, Miss Maniguro.
Kwentuhan mo naman kami, paano nagsimula yung business journey mo?
Nag-start po yung business ko as a photographer during pandemic. 5 years po ako sa BPO industry and then I decided to resign. And then I use my last pay to buy a camera. Passion ko po siya ever since.
Saan ka kumuha nung lakas ng loob na finally i-pursue siya?
It's ECQ that time. Since maraming nagbe-business po online and most of it is pagkain or products, so I became a food and product photographer. Kung meron po kayong business at home and you want to market it or use photos for social media
Yes.
para ma-advertise nyo po ng mas maayos, or maybe gusto nyo po ng menu like sa mga food or products nyo, then you just send the products po sa bahay po, and then that's where I have my home studio. Nandun po na po lahat ng props, ang light, equipment ko po, and I'll do the photos for you, and you just have to wait at home lang.
Saan nanggagaling yung passion na yun? Continue.
The only way is up,
Yes, true.
and it's either I'm just gonna choose kung mag-work ba ito o mag-work ito.
Kunyari, may kapatid tayo, nag-open na siya ng business, gumaganda na yung sales. Ano sa palagay mo, Mariel, ang pinakamagandang paraan para maitago niya yung mga kinikita niya?
I think it's really important po na magkaroon tayo ng savings. We can open up a bank account or a deposit account for only 100 pesos. So what I do po is, kada shoot ko po is may i-invest po kung isang equipment or anything for my business, and then ihiwalay ko po syempre yung mga para sa bills ko po, sa rent and also food, grocery, and then magtatabi na po ko ng syempre yung kaya kong amount for the savings. It's important rin po na may maitatabi tayo para sa panahon na kailangan natin, may mahuhugot din po tayo. Malaking tulong rin po yung mga ino-offer ng banks like loans and credit cards. As long as alam mo naman sa sarili mo na kaya mo naman ibalik, it would help lalo na sa pag-i-invest ng mga gamit and all.
Correct. Ano yung na-envision mo for your business?
Hopefully po 3 years from now, I'll have my own studio since
Yes.
I'm working at home.
At home?
I'm using my home as a home studio. Ando naman po lahat ng kailangan ko, kasya naman po.
Yes.
But hopefully in the future, I can also receive clients and help other photographers as well in case they're looking for studios.
Bukod sa mga food business, ano pa yung mga patok na pwede nating pagkakitaan?
Marami naman po ako nakikita na sa food and all, milk tea, beverage,
Milk tea.
coffee, lalo na yon yung coffee. Let's invest on learning and equipment, and
Yes.
I guess we can start up kahit sobrang maliit na maliit lang. I think you should take the risk kasi you'll never know if you won't try naman.
Yes.
So dadating talaga yung panahon na
Yes.
walang kayong gana, panghihinaan kayong loob
Yes.
and all. But yun nga po, pipili lang kayo kung mag-work ba to o hindi.
Thank you so much, Mariel, for joining us today. Thank you for inspiring all our kapatids na nanonood at nakikinig.
Maraming salamat din po, Miss Manigura.
Sa tulong ng mga bangko, secured ang life goals natin. Protektado pa ang pinaghirapan nating kita. Tandaan, kapag gusto, may paraan. Kung gustong umasenso sa buhay, umangat sa buhay, gawa rin tayo ng paraan. Yan ang payo sa atin ng PDIC. Maniguro, magbangko, tulong sa pag-asenso. Sa PDIC, bank deposit mo, protektado.
Maniguro magbangko.